Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to withdraw money from your Underdog Fantasy account. Alright, let's begin. First, open the Underdog Fantasy app and log into your account using your email and password. Once logged in, tap on your profile icon, which is usually located in the bottom right corner of the screen. From the menu that appears, select Withdraw Funds. This will take you to the withdrawal page. Next, choose your preferred withdrawal method, such as PayPal. Enter the amount you wish to withdraw, ensuring it meets the minimum withdrawal requirement. If this is your first withdrawal, you will need to enter your payment details. If you have previously set up your payment method, just confirm that everything is correct. Once you are ready, tap Submit to finalize your withdrawal request. Your request will then be processed, and the funds should reach your account within a few business days. It's important to keep an eye on your email for any notifications regarding your withdrawal status. So that's basically how you can withdraw money from Underdog Fantasy. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.